देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहतर ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om.
All cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
Talk to me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me.
Thank you for your trust and continued support. Your cooperation has helped us nurture these children with love, care and strong values. Our dedicated teachers and staff have worked tirelessly and affection. As our children move to grade 1, an exciting academic journey awaits them. Along with a strong foundation in academics, they will be introduced to abacus, which helps them to improve in maths. They will participate in seminars to build confidence and communication skills. Our students will also take part in GK quiz competitions to enhance their general knowledge. Spell bee competitions in Telugu, Hindi and English. Handwriting improvement will be supported through Rosida handwriting practice. Students will also participate in Bright Star Championship to showcase their talent and abilities. Most importantly, We focus on practical learning where children learn by doing, exploring and experiencing. Dear parents, together let us continue to support and encourage our children as they step into a new phase of learning. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Dear parents, we are truly delighted to welcome each and every one of you here today. I am Jagdishwari.
This is Lakshmi. You are the class teachers of UKT. It fills our hearts with joy to see you all gather to celebrate this very special milestone in our little ones. Thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful graduation moment.
Now, without further delay, let us begin this wonderful celebration. I welcome our bright and cheerful student D. Adya. This little one is very confident. She speaks clearly and participates in activities happily. We are glad of her confidence. Keep believing in yourself, Adya.
It's a great joy to invite Ladasri to the stage. She is hardworking and sincere. She gives the best in every task. We admire this effort. All the very best, Ladasri.
Respected correspondents, teacher, ayahs, and my dear, very special day because it is our graduation. Very happy to celebrate the fashion movement in our school. When we first came to school, scare and pride. Our teachers, ayahs, took care of us so much love. They helped us through our letters, numbers, rhymes, stories, and many more. We enjoy all the activities, drawing, dancing, playing, games. Thank you. Namaste, correspondent sir, principal, madam, teachers, ayahs, my dear friends, always encouraged us, taught us to be kind and helpful, confident. This school has many happy memories and wonderful friends. We love our class, teachers, friends, the caring environment of our school. We want to say a big thank you, teachers, ayahs, for their patience. They helped us grow and learn every day. We move to grade 1. We are excited to learn new things, new our journey. Thank you everyone for your love and blessings. Thank you.
I warmly welcome our little star Tanushree onto us. She is very cheerful, spreads happiness in our classroom. We are proud of her confidence and growth shown this year. Tanushree, keep shining always.
Hands together to welcome Lohitaksh, bright and well-mannered. He respects teachers and friends. We truly appreciate his behavior. Very good. We are very proud of you, Lohitaksh.
I invite Neha to come forward and shine on the stage. This little star is very active and energetic. He participates in all the activities with excitement. We appreciate his enthusiasm shown every day. Good job. Keep it up, Neha.
Morning everyone. Today is our graduation day. We are very happy and excited. This day will always be a special memory for us. Thank you, teacher, for teaching us with love and patience. You helped us learn many new things because of you. We feel lucky to do next class. Thank you. Yaya, for taking care of us every day. Thank our school for keeping us safe and happy. We will always miss the fun and joyful time we had in pre-primary. Thank you.
Very kind and caring. He always helps friends in need. Such a loving nature makes us happy. Tanish Kumar, keep spreading kindness. With great happiness and pride, I invite creative and imaginative. He enjoys drawing, coloring and storytelling. Your creativity makes your classroom bright. Keep being creative, Ritwik.
Today we are happy to celebrate our graduation day with all of you. Thank you. We thank our lawyers for helping us with our happy moments we spent here. Thank you.
Hello, hello, everybody. We have something to say. It's a big thing, a huge thing. It's so, so humongous. It's a very, very special day. We are graduating. We are ready now. Aha! We are graduating right here, right now. Ta-da! We are graduating. We are ready now. Aha! We are graduating right here, right now. Ta-da! Thank you, teachers. Thank you, friends. Thank you, everyone who helped us till the end. We love you so very much. We know you love us too. But we need to tell you something, something very true. We are graduating. We are ready now. Aha! We are graduating right here, right now. Ta-da! We are graduating. We are ready now. Aha! We are graduating right here, right now. Ta-da! Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Before I am going to say about this journey to the school of my kid, special thanks to the correspondent sir and the principal sir. Like I searched many schools which suit for my kid, but they approached me like they said about the school activities and everything. I like most of the activities. And my journey, I will say my kid, I thought he will not fit for this school, like he is hyperactive, like he cannot do anything with his own. But when I joined this school, like he can do his own work and he cannot take any support from me or like my family. He can do his own activities on his own. In this busy life, I can say that. And one more thing I want to say, this Bright published book, it was very nice. Like they have improved a lot in the curricular activities. Yeah, thank you for all your support team and staff like who are coordinating with me, like they are sending the daily updates. Thank you, Lakshmi madam, and thank you. I don't know other names. Thank you.
Now stepping onto the stage is a wonderful child that
Our teachers always guide us and made learning fun and interesting.
today we proudly present Bhavyansh. This child is kind and cheerful. He spreads happiness and builds wonderful friendships. Your smiles brings warmth to everyone around you. Keep smiling, Bhavyansh.
Here I welcome our little achiever Devanshi. Little learner is curious and eager to learn. She asks questions and loves new ideas. We love this learning spirit. Keep exploring and growing, Devanshi.
Teachers for teaching us to read, to write and share. Thank you. We are graduating from pre-primary. We feel very happy. Thank you.
Little achiever performs well in academics. He shows interest in learning new things. We are proud of his effort. Keep aiming high, Anirudh.
Let us warmly welcome our little champion Shreya, gentle and soft spoken. He maintains peace in the classroom. Such calm behavior is special. Keep being wonderful, Shreya.
Indu. This student is very helpful. She assists teacher and classmates happily. Such helpfulness is truly special. Keep helping and growing in
Pridankuli, our second group. Many prayers. Many prayers. Happy moment. Thank you. Teachers help us to grow with good manners and confidence. Thank you. Our eyes caring for us like mothers. Thank you, dear principal, for everything. We will always feel proud to be part of this school. Thank you.
I would like to call Deepika. This child is enthusiastic and lively. She enjoys every classroom activity. Your energy makes us happy. Keep spreading joy, Deepika.
moment to present Arham before you all. Little Star is disciplined and sincere. He follows school rules properly. We are proud of his attitude. Keep it up, your excellent behavior, Arham.
With great pleasure, I invite Adya Shri. She is intelligent and quick to learn. She understands concepts easily. We admire this smart effort. Keep shining like a star, Adya.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a proud moment for us. We are excited to share this happy day with our friends and families. Thank you. Our teachers for their love, care and guidance. We thank our ayahs and our school for keeping us safe and happy. Thank you.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है। क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए तालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो चले, दुनिया चलती है तो चले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे पालमा।
जिंदगी है एक लतीफा, दिल वालों का दिल खलीफा। मारे मौके पे चौका ये तफरी करे।
खुल के जीने का सलीका हमसे सीखो ये तरीका, पल में सदियों की हम मौज तगड़ी करें।
आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा, आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा, वरना दूर खड़े बस तमाशा देखना।
having a good time here. So it's nice to be here with all the parents and all the children performing and getting their awards and getting their graduation done here. So I just want to share my thoughts on the school. So I joined my daughter in nursery. So from the beginning, the journey is still continuing. Even my son has joined. So even my son has joined the same school, and today he finished his graduation. So I really feel the coaching staff, the teachers, everybody, and the correspondent sir to taking care of the children and in each and every aspect and motivating them. And I sincerely thank every staff of the school, and I believe the journey continues, and I believe the children will grow up and their talent will come out, and I wish everybody all the best.
Please join me in welcoming Mehwin to receive appreciation. This child is joyful and positive. She comes to school with a bright smile. That happiness spreads to everyone. Keep shining bright, Mehwin.
Now I call upon Viadya to come and receive the blessings and applause. This little one loves participating in activities. She enjoys singing, dancing and games. We enjoy your active spirit. Keep enjoying, Adya.
Teachers are very tired, help, Quran, research. Thank you, teachers and lawyers for everything. Thank you.
With immense pride, I present Lakshman. He is thoughtful and respectful. He shows care towards everyone. We are happy to see such good values. Keep making us proud, Lakshman.
Let us welcome our shining star, Daksh. This student is focused and attentive. He listens carefully during lessons. His dedication is wonderful. Best of luck for your future, Daksh.
We invite Noman to the stage for this proud moment. He is brave and confident. He tries new things without fear. We admire this courage. Keep moving forward confidently, Noman.
The teachers and parents, we are thankful. We are very excited. We enjoy many fun activities, stories, games, and celebrations in our classroom. These happy moments will always stay in your heart. Teachers, Ayat, and school staff always care for us like a family. To be part of this, we feel proud and thankful to be part of this wonderful school. Thank you.
Our smart and shining student Nivisha is respectful and humble. She greets everyone politely. Such manners are truly admirable. Very good, dear Nivisha. And welcome Tanya Sai with a big round of applause. Leadership qualities. She guides friends and takes initiatives. We are proud of this confidence. Keep leading with kindness, Tanya.
Proudly invite Nihal Sai to step out to the stage. Little one is very cooperative. He works well in group activities. Team spirit is a beautiful quality. Keep working together happily, Nihal.
Today is a memorable day for us. We are excited to celebrate this special moment together. Thankful to our teachers for always encouraging us. They help us grow, learn, and become better students. Thank you.
This parent, here I found many things in our school. I feel like this is not their school, it is our school only. My 3 kids are studying in this school. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers, principals, madam and correspondents for making them to participate in all the activities. Their education is good, their behavior is good, everything is good. My 3 kids, they never say no to school. Even in this half-day schools also, they are waking up at 5:30 only to attend the school. And main thing is, their behavior is very good and they are very much obedient. And my kids share everything, whatever is happening in the school, what they learned, everything in the school. And thank you everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Immense happiness to call Sadhvi has a positive attitude. She accepts feedback and improves continuously. This growth makes her proud. Keep growing every day, Sadhvi.
Let us welcome Amadya on this proud occasion. Child has many beautiful memories in our classroom. She has grown into a confident leader. We are proud of this journey. Wishing you success and happiness always, Adya.
Dear teachers, shopping our future, I love it and our school for giving us beautiful memories and taking good care of us. We will always carry these wonderful moments in our hearts. Thank you.
You greet us with a big bright smile. You help us learn and laugh a while. You show us letters, numbers too, and teach us things we never knew. Thank you, teacher, thank you so. You help us learn, you help us grow. With every word and every song, you help us feel like we belong. Thank you, teacher, you're the best, better than all the rest. You tie our shoes, you wipe our tears, you cheer us on and calm our fears. You read us stories, help us write, and make us feel all kinds of bright. Thank you, teacher, thank you so. You help us learn, you help us grow. With every word and every song, you help us feel like we belong. Thank you, teacher, hip hooray. We love you more each day. You give us high fives, help us try. Catch us when we're feeling shy. We're learning more than ABC. You're teaching us to just be me. Thank you, teacher, thank you so. You help us learn, you help us grow. With hearts so big and patience wide, you fill our days with joy and pride. Thank you, teacher, you're our star. We love you just the way you are.
Parents, today I am very happy to see you all here. Your little kids, they have performed well. Our teachers have trained them well. So anyhow, they have completed their pre-primary level and now they are entering into the primary level. That is very soon. Already they have started their first standard. In first standard, already my principal madam explained to you. In first standard, they are going to have many more activities, like co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities are there. That is, now they are going to start abacus. So calculating in the mind, that you have already seen, most of the seniors they have done. So abacus, lucida. Lucida means we are focusing on handwriting. You can check their handwriting after 3 or 4 months. So by the end of this month, they will write very, very legible, very presentable. So their handwriting is going to improve. And computers, Telugu, Hindi, whatnot, so many things. We are conducting spell bee, Hindi spell bee, Telugu spell bee, and English spell bee. So we are giving equal preference to all 3 languages. One is regional language, another is artificial language, another is our national language. So like that, 3 languages are very important for us. Not only languages, every kid is very precious for us. So all the time you have supported us. So I'm very thankful to you for your continued support. So I hope that from first standard onwards, they are going to have many more activities. They will definitely finish all those activities. They will achieve many more things with your heartful support. Without your support, nothing will happen. When two hands join together, then only we can make a sound. So otherwise we cannot. So thank you very much for you all for participating in the fun games and gaining the prizes. So they are not very serious, just for the fun sake we have conducted. Continuously if we make them to give awards and all these things, you may feel bored. Just here and there for relaxation and to involve you in this fun game, in this program, we have conducted so many fun games. Thank you very much for your cooperation, and I also thank my teachers, principal, ayahs, and everyone who have extended their supporting hand to us. So without you, we cannot do anything else. You and we together will make this Prism International School #1 here in Peramburam. Thank you very much.
On this special graduation day, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our respected correspondent sir and our beloved principal ma'am for the constant guidance and support. I sincerely thank our dedicated teachers for their love, patience and hard work in shaping our little graduates. My special thanks to our caring ayahs and non-teaching staff for taking good care of the children every day. I also extend my gratitude to our dear parents for their trust, cooperation and encouragement. Finally, a big thank you to our wonderful students who made this day so special and memorable. Thank you all for being a part of this beautiful celebration. Have a great day.